Okay, 6th August 2000 SQL class. Today topics. Okay, DML comments, DDL comments, and DML comments. Okay, DDL comments, data definition, language comments, data definition language comments, create, alter, truncate, rename, drop. This comes under data definition language comments. DDL comments are used for creating the structure and modify the structure of the table. Structure of the okay. First, I want to create a teacher table and student table. Okay, in teacher table, teacher ID number and teacher name and which class she is teaching for, which course she is teaching for, and his date of joining, which section she is teaching for. Okay. Password 799540. Phone number first six. Okay. Student, roll number, section, class, which course, date of birth. This is two relations. These two relations must be derived from business rules or ER diagrams. Business rules are very, very important. Remember, in Power BI also, any project you can take, you must apply business rules for these relations. And we should draw these relations from ER diagrams. Okay. Now, how to create teacher table? Create syntax, table, table name, column 1, data type, constraint 1, column, data type, constraint 2. So on, you can write up to n columns. You can write up to n columns. This is a syntax for creating table. I am creating teacher table. Create table teacher. But teacher ID is there. This column is nothing but ID. It's a data type. Generally, ID will be a number. I have taken 5 digits. So what is the number? Number is a data type in SQL which holds up to 38 digits. If you write integer also, it will be taken as number 38. Both are same. Number 38 and integer both are same. If you write number, it is taking internally integer 5. Okay, number is equal to integer. You can write number of 5 or integer of 5. You can write like this both. Okay. So number is a data type in SQL which holds up to 38 digits and is a constraint. You must enter some which should not be null constraint, not null. It is a constraint. This constraint is also based on business rules. Next, name. For generally names, character data type you can use. Okay, maximum characters 2000 characters you can hold into it. For name, characters is పురుషోత్తమ సార్ ఫోన్ శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ ఫోన్ చేయండి. శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ ఫోన్ చేసి పోయిన ఫోన్ చేయండి. శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ ఫోన్ 2000. Okay, for this one I have written 30 characters. This is nothing but length or size. 430 రా beta. And date of course name. This is also character, 30 character size. హలో, అదే పోయిన మంత్ వాళ్ళు 10 days వర్క్ చేశారు కదా జిహెచ్ఎంసీ వాళ్ళు కింద వాళ్ళు డబ్బులకు వచ్చారు. మనకి 10 days 7 days ప్రజెంట్ 7 రోజులు డబ్బులు మనకి ఇవ్వాలి. పోయిన మంత్ వాళ్ళు 7 రోజులు పని చేశారన్న, 7 days పని చేశారు. ఆ డబ్బులు ఇవ్వాలి. అతను వచ్చాడు. సాయంత్రమా మన 5కి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. మరి అందుకని పొద్దున కూడా వచ్చాడు బాబు. నేను పొద్దున క్లాస్ లో మళ్ళీ రామని చెప్పాను. ఓకే, 6 o'clock డబ్బులు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. 6 గంటలకు పెట్టకూడదు. 6 గంటల నుంచి పెట్టకూడదు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇద్దరు కలిసి వాళ్ళు నేను ఓకే 6 వస్తే ఇస్తా కదా నీకు. 6 రా అంతే, 6 ఇచ్చేస్తా. డేట్ ఆఫ్ జాయిన్ ఇస్తాను. అది కూడా ఇద్దాం. మొత్తం 10 రోజులు లెక్క చేయాలి. So date of joining is a date. ఇస్తాను, కంపల్సరీ ఇస్తాను. ఇవ్వంటే చెప్పు. 6 గంటలు రాంటున్నాను, ఇస్తాను. Next section is also a character data type. I am writing section. Okay, character size 30. I am closing. This is a command for creating table. Control C. I am using SQL command line. Size 30. Maximum 2000 characters తీసుకోవచ్చు. నేను 30 size తీసుకున్నాను. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ టీచర్ అనే టేబుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి, టీచర్ 1 అని పెట్టి. Now table created. I'm increasing the size. Okay. This is what. Now you want to see the table metadata information. Okay. Describe teacher 1. This is what metadata. This is a command for knowing the metadata. Describe teacher 1. You'll get all the table columns. What is the data type? What is the constraint? Now I want to add extra column. Alter table teacher, add teacher 1, add. I want to add extra column. Okay. Location which is working. Location is nothing but a character of 30. Now location column. So to add extra column, how to add a column? Okay. How to add a column to a existing table. Existing table. Okay. This is a command. Okay. This command is used to add existing, to add a column to the existing table. Okay. Now I want to change this data type section to 25 only. I want to decrease the size of this data type or increase the size or decrease the size. How can you do it? Alter table teacher 1, modify section character of 20. So I am decreasing the size of the section to 20 characters. Now describe teacher 1. You see now. This is what? Now size is C, section size 20. I have added the location column. Location also. Now I want to change the location to LOC. I want to change, rename the column name. Alter table teacher 1. Okay. Alter table teacher 1. Rename column location to location LOC. Now I have changed the column name. This column name is changed to LOC. Okay. Now describe teacher 1. See, before it is location, now it is LOC. Now how to store data? Okay. How to store data into a table. DML comes. Huh? DML commands. So insert command. Insert into table name values. Okay. Insert into table name values ampersand column 1 comma, ampersand, column 2, comma, ampersand, column 3, like that. So on, we have to write this syntax. Insert into table name. This is one syntax, and syntax 2. This is syntax 1. What is syntax 2? Insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, values, okay. Value 1, value 2, value 3. This is one syntax. There are two syntaxes for storing data into the table. Now I want to store the data into the table. Now insert into feature 1 values. Okay, I'm using first syntax, ampersand id, because for number we have to use ampersand id, comma. Next is name. It is a character. For character you have to write single quoted commas, ampersand name. But always character should be inserted in single quoted commas. And course name also, write single quoted commas, ampersand course. Next, date also single quoted commas, ampersand date. Next, date of joining also. Sorry, date of joining. So तुम सही कहा बेटा, क्यों all going కొత్తగా వచ్చింది జస్ట్ నాకు కొత్తగా వచ్చింది, కొత్త ఎంట్రీ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది కొత్తగా. నెక్స్ట్ సెక్షన్, because it is character, comma, LOC. Now see, enter value ID 101. See, the length is 5. If you give the length of the ID more than 5, you will get error. Name, Suresh. Course name is teaching for. He is teaching for C++. Date of joining 1st August 19. Section, he is teaching for CSC A section. Location, his location is Upranpet. Now one row created. Immediately you have to write commit option. Now this data is stored into the database. Commit option. This is one syntax for storing. Next, if you type slash, again it will, okay. What is second syntax? Insert into feature 1, okay, ID, name, course, date of joining, section, location, values. You can do like this: ID 102, name Bhargavi, because name is a character, we have to insert it in single quoted commas. Next, course is a character, it's teaching for Java course. And date of joining single quoted commas, 1st September 21 20. Pushottama. Next, which section is teaching for? CSC B section. And which location? Hyderabad. semicolon. Now one row was created. Now commit. This is a second syntax. See the syntax. This is a syntax 2. Example. This is syntax 1 example. We can use this syntax or we can use this syntax for storing data into the database. ఏమా భార్గవి అర్థమవుతుందా? భార్గవి
yes sir అవుతుంది.
okay, this is syntax 2, this is syntax 1. Now how to fetch or read or retrieve the data from table. Select command, select star from table name. Okay, select star from teacher 1. Table name is teacher 1. You see now, this is a information. I want only ID and name. Select ID comma name from teacher 1. We get ID only name from teacher 1. Okay, this is a second command. I want ID comma course comma location and I want teacher name and which course he is teaching and which section he is going to teach. Okay, I want to know these details from teacher 1. Now see, today she is teaching for C++ course for section CSCA. Bhargavi is teaching for Java course for section CSCB. So this is nothing but what? Command. Okay, this is for retrieving the data from the table. Now I want to name, update the name Bhargavi Reddy. Update table name is teacher 1. Set name equal to single quoted commas Bhargavi Reddy. Where is a clause where ID equal to 102. Now see, one row was updated. Now you can see, select star from teacher 1. Okay, now see, instead of Bhargavi, I got Bhargavi Reddy. This is for updating. This is for updating particular column value by using update command. Okay, now I am using syntax 2 into insert into teacher 1. Again, ID, name, course, date of joining, section, and sorry, I want to add extra column now. Alter table teacher 1 and alter table teacher 1 and gender. Gender, that is nothing but the character 10, male or female. Now I have added extra column. Now see what is the column. Select star from teacher 1. You see now gender is added. Now how to fill the gender? Update teacher 1 set gender equal to male. Okay. Where ID equal to 101. One row update. Now update the second gender 102 female. Now see, select the star from teacher 1. Now gender was updated. Okay. See, now I'm copying all the comments. Edit, select all, edit, copy. Here I'm copying, paste. You see now, all the comments are pasted here. Till now, what we have done, all the comments are pasted. Okay. Now, I want to delete the row. I want to delete column 102. Delete from teacher 1, where ID equal to 102. Now see, one row was deleted. If you want to remove one row or more than one row, you can use delete command. Okay. What is the difference between delete and truncate command? To delete command purpose, to remove single or multiple rows. Okay, use delete command. Truncate command, to remove all rows in a table at a time. Okay, but keeping structure of the table. Okay, it cannot remove the structure of the table. It remove only all rows from a table. What is drop command? To remove table and its contents. That is rows. To remove table structure and its contents. Table structure and its contents. Okay. Use drop command. What is purge command? To get back the deleted table from recycle bin. Okay. So to delete single or multiple rows, use delete command. To remove all rows in a table at a time, you have to use truncate. So you can use where clause for this command delete, but we cannot apply where clause for the truncate command. Where clause where clause cannot be applied for DDL command. DDL command. Where clause can be applied for DML command. Okay. Now I have removed. You see now. Now 1 or 2 is not there, but I want to get back that. Simply roll back. And again, now see, you got 1 or 2 back. So roll back. If you type roll back, what happened? Whatever removed, you will get undo operation. It is for undo operation. Suppose if you write commit, means after commit, rollback never work. Rollback doesn't work. Rollback doesn't work. Before commit, rollback works. Now see, I am showing the example. Delete from feature 1 where location equal to Hyderabad. I am removing based on where clause. Now write commit. Commit means permanently reflected into the database. Now again roll back. You see now. You cannot get it. So after commit, if you apply rollback, you won't get the data back. Understand? This is nothing but difference between delete. Okay, delete command. What is truncate command? To remove all the rows at a time, but keeping structure of the table, but where clause cannot be applied for DDL commands. Okay. Now you see another example. I want to show it. Select star from tab. You will get a list of tables in the database. See, there are so many tables. I want to remove this table 1, table 3, student 1. Select star from student. This is student 1. See, I am truncating. Truncate table student 1. Now what happened? All rows will be removed. See, but structure is there. But structure is there, but all will be removed. Suppose select star from student 2. Sorry, student 3. Student 3 is not there, na? Student 4 is there. Student 4 also not there. Teacher is there. Teacher. Is also not there. Take table D, table B. See, this is there. Now I am dropping. Drop table B. This permanent remove from the computer. Drop table name. Now it is permanently removed from the database. Now you see, describe table B. You won't get error because if you write drop, what happened? Table will be removed and structure also removed. When you apply truncate command, what happened? The table rows will be removed, but structure will be there. Understand? When you apply truncate command, rows of the table will be removed but keeping the structure of the table. But when you apply drop command, total table will be removed from the memory and the contents also. This is the today's class. Okay. Practice system. Emma Bhargavi garu. Chintu.
Yes, yes, sir.
నువ్వు కదమ్మా చింటూ చింటుగాడు
ఓకే సార్ చెప్పండి.
ఏమన్నా నీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లే, అంత స్లోగా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు.
చెప్పండి సార్.
అర్థమైంది క్లాసు?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్, అది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి చూపించు, నాకు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పెట్టు. మేడం మేడం
ఓకే.
అనుష మేడం, అనుష మేడం, అనుష మేడం, హలో మేడం, అర్థమైంది మేడం క్లాసు? మేడం, ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ ద రికార్డెడ్ వీడియో.